Good morning, friends. This is a video that I've come up with that shows me reconstructing some broken wings, this Gulf Fritillary butterfly. And here is that video. This is a quick view of my subject. This is taken from the video that I just showed you, my broken butterfly. This is my initial glaze for this butterfly. When I study my subject, I usually decide on a really light wash to put down, and then anything that shows underneath is going to be of this nice underglaze of a pale orange that I created from Pyrrol Scarlet and Hansa Yellow Lite. Both of those colors are transparent. Once I had the body initially glazed, and the body of the butterfly was kind of drawn in, painted in with that first glaze, I went ahead and started working on the wings. And again, the different stages come together slowly. As one part of the butterfly dries, the other part gets worked on, one wing, from one wing to the other, and back and forth, until you'll see toward the end, the final fun part was outlining the veins of the butterfly with a strong mixture of the Dyk Brown, almost black looking, and there's very little shading on this particular butterfly. Some of the other butterflies, like the monarch, are a lot more interesting because there's so many different colors and shades. But this one was pretty easy to do, and just a matter of getting the colors that I wanted to be similar to what I was seeing in my video. Once I took him up into Photoshop, I did quite a bit of adjusting, and I'm hoping to have a video eventually that shows my work in Photoshop, because that's really where the rubber meets the road. That's where anything that I want to change, I have that opportunity to do so. So working on his body, getting it symmetrical, is always a challenge, but in time it comes together. So I'm going to stop now and speed up the rest of this a little bit until I think of something else to tell you. So here I am on the home stretch of this painting. Once it's completed, and I'll take it up to Photoshop and clean it up a little bit more and um, reverse this wing and the antenna and put it together. And that is the part that I need to learn how to Photoshop, how to video myself. I will go online and figure out how to make that happen, and hopefully that will be my next video. In the meantime, thank you so much for going to the very end of this video, and I hope that you enjoyed seeing my broken butterfly put together whole again. And thank you for watching. Bye.